Integrating Paddle subscription management into your business is a straightforward process that can help you manage recurring payments and grow your revenue. To get started, you need to create a Paddle account and obtain your API credentials, including your vendor ID and API key. First, log into your Paddle account and navigate to the developer dashboard, where you will find your API credentials. These credentials are used to authenticate your API requests and ensure that only authorized transactions are processed. Next, choose the programming language you want to use for integration, such as Python or JavaScript, and install the Paddle library. The Paddle library provides a set of pre-built functions that make it easy to interact with the Paddle API. To create a subscription, you need to send a request to the Paddle API with the required parameters, including the product ID, user ID, and subscription plan. You can also specify additional parameters, such as the subscription billing cycle and trial period. Once the subscription is created, Paddle will handle the recurring payments and send you notifications when a payment is successful or fails. You can also use the Paddle API to update or cancel subscriptions, as well as retrieve information about your subscribers and their subscription plans. Best practices for integrating Paddle subscription management include handling errors and exceptions properly, implementing logging and monitoring to track issues, and testing your integration thoroughly before going live. You should also ensure that your application is secure and compliant with relevant regulations, such as GDPR and PCI DSS. By following these steps and best practices, you can integrate Paddle subscription management into your business and start managing recurring payments with ease. Paddle provides a comprehensive guide and support team to help you with the integration process, so you can focus on growing your business and increasing revenue.